Hello, everyone. Today, I'm bringing to you a crucial economic update that, while originating far away, has significant ripples that can reach our shores and impact our daily lives. Today, we are decoding some big headlines from the United States, a massive new bill, their soaring national debt, and what it all means for us here in India. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what's being called the Big Beautiful Bill in the US. Now, you might hear staggering figures like $3.4 trillion, and it sounds like a huge spending package, right? Well, it's a bit more nuanced. At its core, this legislation is about making permanent colossal $4.5 trillion in tax cuts that were first introduced back in 2017. To accommodate this, the US Congress also had to raise their national debt ceiling by an eye watering $5 trillion. The Congressional Budget Office, their independent fiscal watchdog, estimates these tax cuts will add roughly 3.3 to 3.4 trillion dollars to their federal debt over the next decade. So it's less about new spending and more about a massive tax cut that significantly increase their national borrowing. While this is an internal US policy, its sheer scale is what makes it globally relevant. These tax cuts primarily benefit certain segments of the US population, particularly higher income groups, while simultaneously making deep cuts to social safety net programs like Medicaid and food assistance for vulnerable Americans. It's a clear reprioritization of resources within the US economy. Now, let's look at another critical area impacted by this bill: clean energy. This legislation marks a significant shift away from previous green initiatives in the US. It mandates the ending of tax credits for electric vehicles, for home energy upgrades, and for various other green programs that were established under the prior administration. What's more, it shuts down the Greenhouse Gas Reduction Fund. For us in India, this is important. When a major economy like the US pulls back on incentives for clean energy, it can affect global investment trends and the pace of innovation in green technologies. India is heavily invested in its own renewable energy goals, and a slowdown in global efforts or a shift in investment away from renewables could potentially impact our access to advanced technologies or international funding for our green projects. It highlights the need for India to continue its strong domestic push for clean energy, regardless of global policy shifts. All right, let's move to the elephant in the global economic room: America's growing national debt. This is the cumulative total of all their past budget shortfalls, and it's truly immense. For the first time ever in February 2022, it crossed the $30 trillion mark. As of March 6, 2025, we are talking about a staggering $36.5 trillion. To put that into perspective, economists often use the debt to GDP ratio, comparing a country's debt to its total economic output. For fiscal year 2024, the US debt to GDP ratio was 123%. That means their debt is larger than their entire annual economic output. And projections show it's not slowing down, potentially reaching 124.4% by the end of 2025 and even 172% by 2054 if current trends continue. This growing debt directly fuels their fiscal deficit, which is when the US government spends more than it takes in each year. The last time they had a budget surplus was way back in 2001. And here's a truly eye opening fact: for the first time last fiscal year, the US federal government paid over $1 trillion in interest on its outstanding debt. Think about that. More money spent on just interest payments than on both Medicare and national defense combined in 2024. This means a huge chunk of their tax dollars isn't going to public services or defense, but simply to cover the interest on money they have already borrowed. Now, why should we here in India be concerned about these massive numbers and complex policies in the US? Because they have a direct implication for our economy and our future. Firstly, the US dollar's dominance. The US dollar has long been the world's primary reserve currency, meaning central banks globally, including the Reserve Bank of India, hold significant quantities of it. A persistently high and rising US national debt, coupled with large deficits, can erode confidence in the US government's ability to manage its finances. If international investors lose faith, it could jeopardize the dollar's reserve status. For India, this could mean impact on reserves. Our foreign exchange reserves are highly dollar denominated. A significant weakening of dollar could impact the value of our reserves. Import costs. Many of our essential imports, especially crude oil, are priced in US dollars. A weaker dollar could make these imports cheaper for us in rupee terms, potentially helping to ease inflationary pressures here in India. However, it could also signal instability if the weakening is rapid or disorderly. Trade competitiveness. A volatile dollar could affect the competitiveness of our exports and imports, creating uncertainty for our Indian businesses engaged in international trade. Secondly, global interest rates and investment flows. If the US debt continues to grow and their interest rates remain high to attract buyers for their debt, it can make it harder for Indian companies to borrow internationally. Global capital might flow towards higher yielding US assets, potentially diverting foreign direct investments away from the emerging markets like India. This could impact our growth prospects and the cost of capital for our industries. Thirdly, global economic slowdown. If the US economy slows down due to its debt burden, it impacts global demand. As a significant trading partner for India, a weaker US economy could mean reduced demand for Indian exports, affecting our manufacturing and services sectors. These aren't just abstract economic theories happening far away. They represent tangible realities that can influence our financial stability, our trade, and our economic growth here in India. Understanding these connections empowers us to make informed decisions, both as individuals and as a nation. So, as we navigate these complex global economic waters, staying informed is key. The decisions made in Washington, particularly concerning their fiscal health, have a ripple effect that touches every corner of the world, including our beloved India. That's all for this economic update. Stay informed and stay engaged. Thank you.